Hello, hello, hello. Is anybody home? Is this thing on? Hey everybody, how's it going? You know the drill by now. It's 5 p.m. and that means that we are live. And what does that actually mean? Well, it means it's time for Discuss It with Drake, which I always think is a really good thing. So, hi Michelle, how's it going? I'm hoping that you're going to do something live soon too, right? If you need help, you just let me know. So, as a reminder, if you ever miss a live broadcast and you want to catch any information on my past videos, all you gotta do is go to YouTube. And when you go to YouTube, you're gonna type in Drake's Real Estate TV and hit subscribe. Yes, subscribe. Hi Charlene, how's it going? So, welcome to episode 7. Gosh, I can't believe that. 7 times already. Fantastic, right? Today we're actually gonna chat about the eyes of the home. And do you know what I mean by the eyes of the home? We're talking about windows. And the reason I say eyes is because I remember when I bought my first house, not my first condo, but my first house, the first thing that I noticed was the windows in the front. I mean, they were just beautiful. And they truly are the eyes of the home. So whether you just bought your home or if you've owned it for a while, the windows actually can be an easy item to overlook. Natural light, of course, is awesome, but sometimes it does come at as a price. So in regards to the hassle scale in replacing windows, you know, it's right up there with the new roof or even trying to retile the busiest room in the house. But unfortunately, these are all realistic jobs that you will eventually be dealing with. So keep in mind, it's always normally cheaper to be proactive than reactive. So, hey Tony, how's it going? Long time no see. So let's discuss some of the signs that it may be time for new windows. Okay, so number 1, are your energy bills climbing or are they already high? So a significant rise in your energy bill over the last year or even few that comes from increased usage, not just a rate hike, could actually mean that you're leaking somewhere. Windows are often the culprit. Believe it or not, it's really, really cool. There are actually infrared cameras that can help you detect these leaks and can tell exactly where the leak is. In fact, I was at a physical inspection a while back, and we were having some leaks in the ducting, and it was really, really cool because the inspection company that I used had a little funny device, and we found exactly where the leaks were, and then they got fixed perfectly, right? So check that. Number 2. Are your windows tricky to open or perhaps they need propping up to stay open? Okay, how many of us have seen that where someone's got a stick holding up the window, right? Well, perhaps the old mechanisms or the weights and pulleys are worn out and perhaps the home is maybe even shifted for those of us that live here in earthquake country, right? At least we're not dealing with ice and snow, right, Charlene? So homes do shift from time to time, and so this could also give you a reason to maybe replace those windows. Number 3, can you hear your neighbors when you're inside? So cars, kids, and pets, they're all part of living in a community. Not all of us live with acres surrounding us, so they can all actually contribute to the level of noise. But good quality windows can definitely reduce the volume. Number 4, do you wake up to condensation between the glass panes? So a small amount of condensation isn't really anything to truly worry about, but when it happens every day and hangs around, your window pane actually has probably been compromised. So these actually, in isolated cases, can be replaced from the manufacturer or the reseller. However, they can actually be very, very difficult to install when it comes to that repair. So it's really actually costly to replace just a pane. Get that? It's a pain to replace a pane. Anyways, a window with a busted seal is actually costing you cash. So just remember that the air that's trapped in between those 2 or 3 panes actually is acting as insulation for you. So keep that in mind. Number 5, is there extensive damage? You know, maybe you can't see that it's damaged until you actually open them up. So if there happens to be rooms that you don't open the windows up very often, just make sure you get in the habit of actually opening up those windows from time to time. If you don't open them on a regular basis. So you're saying, well, what if my windows aren't damaged, but you still suffer from heat loss? Well, there are things you can do to help as well. For instance, winterizing. Did you realize that just a real simple, a new bead of caulk around each window and door can actually help reduce those unwanted drafts. So seal up those nooks, okay? Have you heard of insulation film? This is a temporary fix, and when installed properly, you can actually tell that there's nothing in between it. So you could also install heavy curtains. Those are just like basically a nice warm blanket on those chilly nights. A thick insulating curtain can actually help reduce the heat loss in drafts as well. The only catch is they got to be closed for best results, and it's only temporary. So if you need any help with windows, let me know, because I can always send you a link to my HomeKeeper app that has recommended professional window subcontractors. So, hola Nadia, hi Tasha. Did I see Dr. Michael Lacapo? I think I did. Anyways, I hope that you found this information helpful. Please feel free to share. And as always, if you would like a copy of the material, I can email it to you or drop it in the mail, whatever it is that you prefer. And don't forget, if there is a topic that you would like me to discuss in the future, just let me know and I'll add it to the calendar. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate the support. Don't keep me a secret. Oh, and next week, I'm really excited. I'm gonna try something new next week. Not gonna quite tell you what it is right at the moment, but I am going to be sending hints for the next week. So I'm really excited about that. So as always, the Drake Group always tries to come from contribution. So once again, I'm here to help you with your biggest investment. So thank you for the trust. Please be kind to one another. Don't forget to live, laugh, and love. And when the next move matters, make sure you contact the Drake Group. That's my Blake Shelton move. All right. So thanks for watching, everybody. I really appreciate it. I'll talk to you guys soon. Okay. See you later. Bye.